content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now, you're looking at a 2022 Acura MDX freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, engine compartment is clean, no signs of corrosion, no signs of rust. We checked the fluids, the engine's clean. It's clean inside, it's not milky. Transmission is the same, it's clean, no water inside. The unit does start, it does drive. You can see there's no condensation in the lights. The water level is very low, right below there. Freshwater flood damage. Quick walk around. Body's very clean. This is a 2022 model, new body style. We're actually in the process of building this vehicle. This is an all-wheel drive model. Take a look inside. Start with the back. So we started to pull the interior on this vehicle. As you can see, no signs of corrosion anywhere, no signs of rust. Seat tracks are clean, which is a good indicator that the water level is very low. Probably ordered a new carpet for the vehicle. We're going to clean all the contacts. Clean all the metal. Dry everything out. Make sure it's completely dry. And then reassemble the vehicle. Once we reassemble it, we'll put it on the scanners, make sure the electrical system is functioning correctly. No corrosion anywhere. It's going to turn out to be a nice vehicle. We do offer financing on the vehicles that we repair. It'll be just like new when it's done. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.